Section 4.8 is on exponential and logarithmic regression. So we've done regressions before. This is not really going to be any different, except for when they want you to make an exponential model, you need to select exponential regression. If they want you to do logarithmic model, then we'll have to select logarithmic regression. So this question specifically is using 2010 as a starting point. So you need to enter in your values with that in mind. So this would be 6, this would be 7, and so on. So then if you do that, you should get y is equal to 231.784 times 1.043 raised to the x. And then if you graph that, it doesn't look like it has too much curvature. If you zoom out, and you don't need to, but if you zoom out, you'll see a lot more of the curvature. So it is not a line, it actually is an exponential curve. C says, use the model to find the number of subscribers in 2022. 2022, I want to do calc value, but I don't want to plug in 2022. I need to plug in 12, because 2022 is 12 years past 2010. And we get 384.1, I'll round to the nearest tenth, and this is million subscribers.